Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Steam voice chat is not working properly on your computer. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So if you're experiencing issues with your microphone on Steam, we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Type in privacy. Best match should come back with privacy settings above system settings. I'm going to left click on that. And now on the left side, you want to go underneath App Permissions and left click on Microphone. You want to make sure Allow Apps to Access Your Microphone is selected or turned on. And then scroll down until you get to Steam, and you want to go turn that to the on position. So if it's turned off, just left click on the toggle position to turn it on. Pretty straightforward. Close out of here. And if you're still experiencing an issue, I would suggest going and opening up the Start menu. Type in Sound. Best match should come up with sound above control panel. You want to left click on that one time. Now if you have any other devices listening here, you want to set them as default if that's supposed to be the correct one. And if you notice you're missing any, you can just right click in a blank spot in here and make sure show disabled and disconnected devices are both checkmarked. And then you can just set that as default by left clicking on the set default button right there. So pretty straightforward. And you can also try if you just left click on whatever your default speaker is, and then left click on Properties. And then if you go underneath the Advanced tab, there might be a check mark underneath Signal Enhancements, which I don't have on my computer or my microphone, but to give you guys an idea, there might be some underneath Signal Enhancements that says Enable Audio Enhancements. You want to uncheck that. Again, if there's another section underneath Signal Enhancements to Enable Audio Enhancements and it's currently checkmarked, you want to uncheck it, and then left click on Apply and OK. Would suggest restarting your computer as well, and hopefully that has resolved your issue. So as always, thank you guys for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.